All right, guys, we are in Linden, Tennessee, on the banks of the Buffalo River. Linden is approximately 70 miles west of Nashville, Tennessee. And we're here today to deliver a hot tub. This is a Viking spa. It's a Royale ETS. It's about 79 inches by 79 inches, weighs about 500 pounds, seating for up to 6 people, plastic shell, composite side panels, composite bottom. Nice tub for Airbnb, not many bells and whistles.
We're going to put this hot tub up here on this deck with a great view. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to use this lift right here. Alright, this is going to be cool. Let's do it.
Now, the gentleman who bought the hot tub is building this cabin as an Airbnb for short-term rentals for people who may want to come out and spend a weekend or a week down by the river. The initial plan was for me to drop the hot tub off on a couple of boards, and they would come back later with this lift and put it up on the deck. But it just so happened that we were all able to be out there at the same time and take it straight from the trailer up to the deck. Now, forks on the lift are only 48 inches long, while the tub itself is about 78 inches long. That means that there's a good amount of the tub hanging off the ends of the forks, so we ended up having to strap it on so this very light tub would not bounce off of the forks as he went across the uneven ground. Let's talk about this lift. It's a Skyjack brand lift from the Telehandler series. It's an SJ 643TH. It has a maximum lift capacity of 6,000 pounds. It has a maximum lift height of about 43 feet and a maximum forward reach of about 28.5 feet. Now, obviously, you cannot stretch that thing out to 28 feet with 6,000 pounds on it, so you have to know a little bit about formulas to be able to figure out how far you can stretch it out depending on how much weight you're carrying. What about this setting, though? This is beautiful out here. So the tub is only about 500 pounds, so it's not going to be any trouble for him to put that up and over the railing onto this 12-foot high deck. So by the time he gets it up, it's probably going to be up about 14 feet from the ground. And he's going to be able to stretch it out and slide it up in between the railing and the ceiling. This guy makes it look easy, but it takes some real skill to do what he's doing. You could easily get yourself in trouble and destroy some things, so I'm glad this operator knew exactly how to use it. All right, let's go upstairs and get ready to receive this tub.
Alright, hang on. This is where you're going to have a problem. Alright, come on.
Now, my customer and his builder have been working together for a while, so I'm going to let them communicate back and forth to get this tub in the right place.
Yeah, you can go out down. Good. Alright, hold on. It's clear to go down now.
I'm not afraid of hard work and picking things up and moving them around, but I'm also a big believer in letting the right equipment do the right job and do the heavy lifting when it can. So we let this machine do everything it could, and then it's only, like I said, it's only a 500-pound tub, so we were able to lift this up and slide it off so that he could take those forks out of there. This lift is very useful. As you can see, it made it very easy to do this job. But when you're in the cockpit, when you're in the driver's seat of this machine, you cannot see everything at every angle, obviously. So when you have it up above your head and you're getting it in and out of tight spots like this, you have the ability to move it up and down, side to side, forward and backward, but you still need somebody who can help you get through these tight spots like this. And so communicating from up top is helpful as well.
Yeah, perfect. I'm glad that worked out. I feel a lot better. I would have left it, but I feel so much better seeing it.
Again, since this Viking has this plastic shell, it makes it very lightweight. Less than 500 pounds. We can slide it around all day long pretty easily. That nice composite bottom makes it easy to slide as well. Put it right into position. Let me take a moment to remind you, if you're going to put a hot tub on a deck, research to see how much you need to reinforce underneath, because you don't just have the weight of the 500-pound tub, but you're going to have thousands of pounds of water inside of it. Guys, this view. Come on now.
All right, guys, so we put this Viking hot tub up on this 12-foot deck, but the nicest thing is it's not just a great hot tub. It's got a great view. So what do you think of this? It's an Airbnb. It will have a new cover. The cover will be black, and it will be ready to go. Can you imagine being out here in the fall when those leaves change? That cliff over there? Man, it's going to be okay. So that's how we do it. And that is some good stuff.